back to part 2 of the Jeep Renegade rebuild. Looks like we've got all the parts, so let's go check it out.
What's up, car rebuilders? This is Dave Pereira bringing you the part 2 of 2015 Jeep Renegade build. Today, while I was at work, a strange man with a brown outfit came and delivered me some parts, some really good parts. Really kind of disappointed on the place that I ordered the part, because I ordered on just around Independence Day, so it's closed. So on July 5th I put the order, and today is July 22nd or 23rd. You guys probably see this way later on August or something, but I just got the whole shipment. So let's go check it out. He just dropped it off. That's my Challenger, and that is the whole. Hopefully there's a, I think this is the hood. So let me bring this inside and remove everything and see what we got. It's like Christmas. Every day you're getting a present, right? Alright guys, let me bring that in. And I'm doing everything by myself, so nobody saw the camera, so I have to pause the recording and get the stuff, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Oh, I opened this. Look at how beautiful they packed this. It's all mopper parts, just from the dealer. Come over here. I just like neatly packed stuff, so it's on a pallet. I don't have a pallet jack, otherwise it's going to be bringing to my garage and let it open, but you have to do one by one. Alright guys, let's get into it. What's up everybody? I'm back at it. So I took everything apart, but then I went to the gym. So excuse for my sweaty face, because you know gym is a must these days because I'm getting fat every day. So voila, this is all the parts I got so far. Hopefully this is it. Like you can see right there, all more parts. So before we go to check those parts one by one, I'm going to show you guys one key thing. So every time I say like, hey, the best way to make money is to save some money or cut your costs. So one of the key things to do, but when you're cutting costs, you should not buy cheap parts or do bad stuff, like hide stuff. If it's broken, fix it like that. If it's something really critical, don't fix it. So one way to save money is the battery. So like you guys know, batteries are expensive, right? Maybe this battery alone is like 120 150 bucks, brand new. Like even if you get used, it's so hard and it will die in 2-3 months. There's no warranty. So buy one of these guys for yourself, a battery charger. So as soon as I get the car from the auction, I basically remove the battery, put it over here, like you guys can see, plus minus, pretty easy, plug and play, plug it, hit the 6 amp and hit the start button. That's it. It will charge itself. If it says bad battery, don't worry, just leave it for 24 hours. If it still say bad battery, use these options like the engine start, 55 amp. So what it does is it basically alternate the amp, and somehow the batteries will come in. I'm not an electrical engineer, so I don't know the whole thing, but every time I change the amps, it'll charge and it'll hold the charge, because I did to my car, it holds the charge. And so this is one of the ways to you to do save money. Like this, I think I spent like 35 or something like that, and I don't know how many batteries I have saved. I've had this for like 2-3 years. Bought it from Walmart. I probably saved like maybe 10-15 batteries. So if you into 100, that's $1,500 that I saved. Because when a car got into a wreck, the auction place, the insurance take it to the auction place, and they're gonna wait. Basically, they're gonna clear the title, put it on the insurance name, blah blah blah. You know, it'll take like probably 2 to 6 months at least a month. So most likely you'll get cars for like 6 months old. So those batteries hardly got jumped, those batteries died. So you know, some batteries are pretty new, so some batteries you can't charge how much you try to charge, it'll die. It's a trash battery. But with this guy, I save a lot of batteries. So one of the key things, save money. It's not save money, live better, not Walmart, but save your money, cut your cost to the minimum so you can maximize your profit. So voila, let's go by one. So basically, I'm not like trying to show off or anything. It's amazing that dealer had the cheapest parts for this build. I mean, yes, I probably spent close to 3 grand. Like I thought like I can spend around 2 grand, but the parts are expensive on this car. I should have bought a really wrecked one, but I looked all the wrecked cars, wrecked Renegades, but I couldn't find anything. Everything is front end damage, and even in the back there's a front end damage. So, and what, I can't get anything from those. So I end up buying from the dealer. I use Tasca.com. I'm not really impressed about them, because the reason is I ordered like I said earlier, I ordered the parts on the 5th of the month, and I got it on the 22nd or 23rd, which is kind of crazy. They said like, yeah, I need the core and blah blah blah, core money, which is $100. I'll show you this guy. They need a core. Who knows, the dealer want the core, right? So $100 for them. So we went back and forth. I said like, I already gave you the $100. They're like, okay, we're gonna ship it to you. It just, you know, I'm kind of disappointed, because I hoping to get it on the 15th at least, but I didn't. But anyway, I finally got the part. So let's go one by one. This is the lower bumper. This is not, it is from LKQ, aftermarket part. I did not got a dealer part, because that's a 250 part from the dealer as well, but this is, I got it for like 100 something, so pretty cheap. I was like, hey, it's a lower bumper, good reviews, everybody loves it who bought it, so I was like, hey, I bought it. So that's the lower bumper cover. These are the hood hinges. Like you guys can see, it's orange. The reason it's orange is it's from salvage yard. Why did I buy it from the salvage yard? One of the reason is from the dealer, this part alone is about $70. One hinge. It's really well built. Probably like more than, it's a 1/4 inch steel metal, like pretty tough. So 1/4 inch and 3/16, I think. So one hinge is like $75 to $80. So I look it through it, and I saw aftermarket for like $55 for a pair, or $50 or $60. I was like, but the reason is every time I get an aftermarket part, it wiggle. It doesn't have the strength. Like nobody gonna spend the money to put 1/4 inch thick steel on this. Maybe 3/16 or 12 gauge. Like, you know, I got like the experience I got from hood hinges. Like they are flimsy. And if you don't get the right hood hinge, like a really correct strong one, the hood won't close right, or even if it's closed, it waves when you go 80 miles per hour and everything. And also when you open the hood, it wiggles. So if the customer, what's the first thing you guys gonna go do when you want to buy a car? You guys open the hood, right? So when you open the hood, you want to see the engine, and if the hood wiggle, well, do you want to buy it? I don't, because I'm like, okay, the hood wiggle. That means this guy didn't fix it right. They don't know why it's wiggling. It's wiggling. That it's not supposed to wiggle, but it does. So that means put real, like real good quality hood hinges, and also it will close really good because hey, factory doing the best because they have the best, they have the first measurement, so they do it right. Do not buy aftermarket hood hinges. I got burned so many times, so I quit buying. I spent like extra 30-40 bucks because down the road that is worth it. All right, and also I got the original headlights. Found a guy online. He said he's literally changing the headlights, his original headlights to aftermarket headlights. So I said like, hey, I'll buy them. So I bought all the headlights and can't show you the can't see the signal lamps, the bottom signal lamps, which is kind of expensive too. Like, oh, here it is. So basically I got this. This is alone like 175 bucks for pair. So I bought both of them for like 350 or something for all of it. So basically these are original factory. Hopefully I don't drop it. See, it's like all Jeep products. Can't find a Mopa sign somewhere. It's right there. It says Mopa. So basically these are original parts. So what I did was I wanted to tint the window, so tint the lens, so I tint it because I want to make it pretty badass. So I got basically factory hood hinges, a factory headlight, so pretty good deal. And also I got the grill covers. These are, I thought these are the actual grills, but they are not. They're just the covers. It's on black because original grills are chrome, but I like it black, so I bought these covers. And my original grill covers are fine. It's in the shop already with the car. This is gonna get, there's 3M tape underneath it. It's gonna get based on and it will hold it. So good stuff. Make it look cool and get the mean look, right? So, and also for the signal lamps, the side marker, look at this. I got the blackout version. So these it comes with the whole kit. Let me show you. See, comes with all the LED bulbs to this little guy. So that's the signal lamps, and this is the fender flare. These are the lower grill, the middle lower grill. So basically it has two lower grills and the middle grill and the two fog light covers. That's why the parts are expensive. Like small stuff adds up. And this is the original car's what is it called, grill cover. So this will go underneath that. Like you guys can see, it has two broken places, one here and one here, but this is gonna go underneath that. So I did plastic weld it. It's pretty strong right now, so it's fixed. So right over here nothing's broken. Only thing is broken is right here and here. And I basically what I did was I super glue it, plastic weld it, and I put can't remember that Q-tip or whatever. I chemically bond it. So that's mechanically bonded because I put grooves underneath there. So it is pretty strong. And this, I got it silver. I could not find a black one. I got it silver. So I painted black. I want it to be a really mean looking. Alright. And these are all factory pieces. The core fender, I think inner fender, the fender holding brackets. And this is the hood bracket. That's the hood latch closing down. The bumper eye. And this is the bracket for holding the bumper. All from the dealer. And this is the core, the upper middle bumper. It's all Mopa, so hopefully it'll fit good. I mean, who thought the dealer wants the core, right? Look at this. Deposit part. Crazy people. It's from dealer. Why do you need part? Give me my. I'll give you money. You give me the part. Why do you need the deposit? The deposit part is not a problem. The problem is the shipping. They're like, hey. I was like, you want my piece? I'll give you my piece. It's in like 6-inch pieces. They're like, no, we need it in the same box. I was like, are you crazy people? Probably it's gonna cost me $100 to ship this damn thing. So I was like, oh, whatever. So probably gonna keep this one. Probably not gonna ship it back. All right, running out of air. So this is one of the most important pieces, the rebar. Like you guys can see, it's original piece, Fiat original part. The reason I'm saying this is the most important part is if your customer get into a wreck again, if you don't put this guy, your customer will get hurt really pretty bad. Because I know a lot of people don't do that. I did it. I did it by my. I mean, I've been with a lot of shady people. How's that sound, right? They don't put those stuff because it's hidden by the bumper. So I work with a Mexican guy, pretty good guy, really cool. Like he has another friend who comes and fix the cars, and he always keep the damn rebar. I was like, what happened if it get into a wreck? He's like, oh, it's not my problem. I was like, jeez, dude. The Mexican guy, he's a cool guy. He's like, yeah, I mean, well, I'll do whatever he wants. I was like, okay, whatever. So anyway, if you're fixing cars, do it right. Buy the correct rebar, because the reason is this will save lives. So give your customer a good one. So this is actual original piece, and this is the radiator strout. So it's all original pieces, and this is the AC condenser. I don't want to take it out because I don't want to harm the fins on it. And this is the fender. And this is the hood, and I don't want to take it out because the reason is I don't want it to get damaged. That's why, because it's a pretty expensive. That's the most expensive part in this whole build. It's like $400 or $500. So I know all the guys who's fixing Lamborghini is not pretty expensive, but you know, I'm a poor guy, so it's expensive part for me. So this is the hood, built in aluminum, like you guys can see, all Mopa. So basically about 95% of these parts are Mopa. About 99% I would say, because only piece that's not Mopa is this lower bumper. Alright, so I think this is it, guys. We got all the parts, I think. The car is in the shop, it's getting fixed. Alright, so like you guys saw, we got all the parts for the 2015 Jeep Renegade Latitude. So the car is in the shop. Till then, hopefully I'll sell this bad boy and get some money to do that bad boy. Alright guys, so let me know what you guys think about the video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to know more about my rebuilds, comment below, right down there. And if you want to see the end result of this beautiful Jeep Renegade, hit the subscribe and hit that bell. That small tiny bell, just hit it, smash it on. Well, I'll see you guys next time. Jepp signing out. Thank you.